Welcome to my YouTube channel Reading Article. So before starting today's topic, subscribe my channel and like the video. My today's topic is politics. Politics does not limit to those in power in the government. It is also about the ones who are in the run to achieve the same power. The candidates of the opposition party question the party on power during the political debates. They intend to inform people and make them aware of their agenda and what the present government is doing. All this is done with the help of the politics only. There is a dirty politics which refers to the kind of politics in which moves are made for the personal interest of a person or a party. It ignores the overall development of a nation and hurts the essence of the country. The ministers of various political parties, in order to defame the opposition, spread fake news and give provocative speeches against them. This hampers with the harmony of the country and also degrades the essence of politics. So there is a question, why is the political system corrupt? So political system is corrupt because the ministers in power exercise their authority to get away with all their crimes. They bribe everyone into working for their selfish motives, making the whole system corrupt. Why does India need educated ministers? India does not have a minimum educational qualification requirement for ministers. This is why the uneducated people is corrupting the system and pushing the country to doom. We need educated ministers so they can help the country develop with their progressive thinking. India is a democratic country and the political leaders and parties in India come into power by the voting system. Indian citizens above the age of 18 years acquire the right to vote and elect their leaders. However, although it is a government by the people, to the people and for the people, and the common man still suffers a great deal. This is because there is a lot of corruption within the political system of our country. Most of our political leaders are known to be corrupt. A huge amount of tax is being levied on the general public. Instead of using this money to develop our country, corrupt politicians are filling their bank accounts with it. This is the reason why we have not developed as much as we should have since independence. The politics of India works within the framework of the country's constitution. India follows the dual polity system, that is double government, that consists of the central authority at the center and states at the periphery. So thank you guys.